So yeah, it's been a bit of a while, kinda. Yeah, a lot of things have been going off, so I've just not really been wanting to film or anything like that. But yeah, I don't want to go into too much detail, but yeah, I'm back and I'm gonna be filming more again. Just got to get myself out of this spot. But yeah, I'm just gonna do a little get ready with me, just to basically cheer myself up, because I haven't put makeup on in a long time. And yeah, so I'm dressed, kind of, in my comfies. I've got my hair done, like half up, half down. So I'm just gonna do my makeup, because it's nearly Halloween. I'm just gonna put this on, just to get the hair out of my face, because I didn't want to tie it up and put it up. I'd rather have it ready, like so. So I think I'm just going to do like a nice neutrals look today. I'm thinking like a smoky liner. First I'm going to do skin. So I'm going to take the illuminating primer from Makeup Revolution, my favourite. And then I'm going to take the e.l.f. Poreless Pretty Primer, and I'm just going to put that on my nose. That's where I get the most visible pores. I think it really smooths it all out. And then moving on to foundation, I'm taking the Makeup Revolution Conceal and Glow foundation in the shade F2. I'm just going to take it on the flat top brush from Morphe, and then just pat it into the skin. So yeah, I've been quite inconsistent with filming. Yeah, a lot of things have been going off, but as well, I just haven't had like any inspiration. Like, I don't know if it was like inspiration or motivation, but I don't know, I just don't, like, I was never in the mood to film, and I just didn't know what to film in that. Even though it's Halloween, you know, I don't know, but then a lot of other stuff happened, you know, I don't want to go into too much detail, but I lost one of my doggies at the weekend, and yeah, it's just not great, is it? Been on a bit of a downer, but I thought today I'm gonna get dressed and do some makeup, make myself feel a bit better. So that's what I'm doing, and I thought I'd do a video because I haven't filmed for a while. Once I've got a nice even layer, I'm just gonna go with my beauty sponge and then go over everywhere again. The sponge really will just smooth it all out. Yeah, with Halloween's not my strongest point makeup wise. And like, I did want to push myself this year, but you know, it's not been the greatest year, has it? So, and you know, a lot of things have been happening, so it doesn't matter, I guess. It's always next year. I am gonna do a video for Halloween, I think I'm gonna do a makeup tutorial for a look, I think, for Halloween, probably to post on Halloween. I know I said I'm gonna start posting like every like Wednesday, Friday and Sunday, but I think now I'm just gonna post whenever. And then maybe in the future, when I am, you know, uploading on the regular basis again properly, and then I might have set days, because I feel like when I have set days, I feel like it makes me more stressed. Like with the whole, you know, the Instagram with posting for 100 days, a bit like that. So I'm just gonna post when I want, when I've got a video and that, but I'm still gonna try and post like weekly. It's just, I won't feel as pressured, if you know what I mean. I foundation is on. Moving to concealer, so I'm gonna take the Conceal and Hydrate Concealer from Makeup Revolution in the shade C1, just to highlight in there. I'm taking a little bit, don't need a lot because a little goes a long way. And then for contouring, I'm going to take the same concealer but in the shade C10. Like so, and then I'm going to take this buffing brush from Morphe and buff out that contour shade. I like to do that first. These concealers blend out so nice and easy, like that didn't even take hardly any effort. I think they're only £5 each. I think, I'm not 100% sure, so don't like hold me to that. But I know they're like really affordable because Makeup Revolution is affordable anyway. Contour this big head. And then I'm going to take the AO6 buffing brush from Spectrum, buff out that concealer. It doesn't have to be perfect because I'm going to go over with a sponge. So, then I'm going to take that same sponge but on this end and just blend it all out. And then to set that in place, I'm going to take the W7 Flawless Face Setting Powder. I'm just going to set where I put that concealer. I'm not going to set my eyelids because obviously we're going to do some eye makeup. Such a nice little lightweight powder, but it does the job, so I'm happy. And then to set that contour shade, I'm going to bronze. So I'm going to take the Primark Bronzed Glow Matte Bronzing Powder. I love this and I can't believe it's only £1. It's so good. A little goes a long way. This hair of mine. And then the head. Moving on to brows, I'm going to take the Kiko Milano Brow Gel in the shade 4. And I'm just going to fill in any like gaps. I'm not going to properly I'm going to go underneath just to create a nice line just to know what I'm working with. Like so, and then I'm going to brush up and just fill in any gaps. And then I'm going to take the Ardell Clear Brow Gel and basically just go through my brows and brush them up, make them look nice and fluffy, like so. just like that. Now moving on to eyes, I'm going to be taking the Morphe 3502 palette, which is a perfect palette for this time of year, and it's got so many gorgeous shades, so all your warm tones and your neutrals. So with that brush that I buffed out the concealer, I'm just going to quickly go over my eyes with whatever's left on the brush, just to give it a little base, like so. I'll just take my sponge and then just blend that out. We've got like a nice base to start with. So I'm gonna do like maybe like a smoked liner today. I'm gonna take this shade here, nice dark brown, and then I'm gonna basically pat out like a wing liner, like so. Obviously, if it goes messy, we can clean it up at the end, so it doesn't matter too much. And then just kind of pat out the wing. And then taking this small fluffy brush, I'm gonna take a lighter brown. So I'm gonna take maybe, I think I'm gonna take this shade here, just to blend that out. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna stay, I'm not gonna blend it out fully yet, I'm just gonna stay right next to the line. I just wanna make just a nice clean one, and then I'm just gonna blend all that out. And then go back in with that brown just to make sure that's nice and packed on seamlessly. You know, just to get rid of the harsh line, I'm just gonna buff that in. And then I'm gonna repeat the same steps that I've just done. And then we'll be back. So I've just finished the eyes and I've cleaned up the edges. So I'm gonna move on to lashes. So today I'm gonna take some dramatic lashes because why not? So I'm gonna take the Juicy lashes from Unique Lashes. Super dramatic and fluffy and just how I like them. First I'm gonna coat my lashes with the Too Faced Better Than Sex waterproof mascara. I really like this one. So lashes are on. Very dramatic and fluffy, but I just love them. So next we're gonna highlight. So I'm taking my absolute favourite highlighter from House of Sparkles in the shade Fallen Angel. Such a beautiful like champagne-y gold colour. Love it. I'm gonna take my Morphe, this brush from Morphe, get some, and then we're just gonna go to town. So for lips, I'm going to take three. So I'm going to take this liquid matte from Primark and then the liquid lipstick from Anastasia Beverly Hills. This is Stripped, and then I'm going to go over it with a gloss, but first I'm just going to go like around my lips with this darker shade. Like that. I'm gonna go in with the lighter shade from Anastasia Beverly Hills. Put that in the centre. And then I'm taking the NYX Butter Gloss in the shade Madeline. Just gonna go over like so. And that is lips done. Last but not least, I'm just gonna set everywhere in place. I'm gonna take the Makeup Revolution fixing spray. And that is the finished look, guys. You could probably have this as an everyday look, maybe just not as dramatic lashes like I'm wearing, but I just really want to wear a dramatic lash today because I feel so much better when I've got a good in your face lash on. So yeah, this is the finished look. I do like how this is looking, nice glow and bronzy skin, and I kind of am living for this lip combo, not gonna lie. Please ignore the eyeshadow on my hand. Yeah, I'm really happy with how this turned out, and yeah, I do feel a bit better, to be fair, so that's good. But yeah, like I said at the beginning, I'm gonna just post when I have a video, but I'm gonna try and post at least like once a week. But I'm gonna try and push myself and film more, but like everything's just, it's a bit busy times, so yeah. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to leave a comment down below, like and subscribe, and you can follow my social medias. They are both linked down below. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.